Guys, how are you? Today we have a very wonderful song. It's called the Swan by Camille Sings Songs. It looks easy, but it's not that easy. Musically, it's very difficult, and there's a lot of shifting. Sure, you can play mostly in first position, but you want to explore other positions like third position and fourth position. All right, I've written all them out. So let's go to the sheet music right there. Okay, so let's just calibrate the fingering. 1, low 1, 2, low 2, 3, high 3, 4, low 4, 4, high 4. Now in third position, this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3, and this is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Space, space, and close. Okay, so when I indicate the low 3, third position is here, not here, here. So 2 and 3 squeeze, okay, if it's low 3. Got that? Okay, you will see that later. Oh, there's one part that it's a fourth position. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I think the only thing that's on the fourth position is 1 and the 3. So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3. So 3 is here and 1 is here. Okay. All right, let's get started. This song, you have to have a very fluid motion of the bow and a lot of fade at the end of the phrase. So get ready. Okay, let's start. We're gonna go to third position right here. It's gonna be 4, 3, and then to here. Okay. A little bit of glide is okay. That's all slur, and then 4, 3, 3. You want to prepare the next note, so when you do this, I want you to kind of already bridge. So 4, so it's don't lift it, okay? It's 4, 3, and then kind of shift over, okay? Then 0. And fade. And when you're fading upward, make sure you're curling, okay? So you lose, let's say, you use less hair as you come to the end of the phrase like this. Easier to fade like that, okay? Okay, now let's go to the fourth measure. Low 2. Now fifth measure, you want to slide into here, okay? Here to here. And fade by curl, okay? One more time. But don't let the speed of the bow kind of decrease, because that's gonna make this sound. You don't want that. Just keep the steady speed of the bow and then just glide to fade. Okay. Back to third position. 4, 3, and then to here. Got it? And then prepare for the switch over. Then low 1 on the A string. And then go here. So it's low 1, 1, 2, okay? Yeah, again, maintain your bow speed. Here we go. This is a measure 8. High 3 and high 4. Did you get that? Yeah, one more time. Another high 3. Yeah. And then you're gonna go from here to here. This is fourth position now. So 1, 2, 3. So you're gonna go from high 3 on the first position to regular 3 on the 4th position. Do I really think about all of this when I play it? Not really. I just hear the note and then kind of approach the note. You should just practice that. Over and over again until it just becomes second nature. Okay, we're still in 4th position. 1, 2, 3. We're just gonna go E3, E1, and then A3. And then we're gonna go to 4th position, still in A string. 1, 2, 3. Got it? One more time. And then we're gonna shift a whole step lower to 3rd position, and 1, 2, 3. Fade, and then remember we talked about low 3 on the 3rd position. It's here. I'm gonna go 3, 1, 3, just like we did in 4th position. And 1, 2, 3. Make sure the 2 and the 3 is close, and then finally back to home. Well, not for long. We're gonna go 3rd position, 1, 2. So yeah. Okay. Going to measure 14. So we ended up here. So the same note. Use a 0 to shift down to 1st position, and then low 2, 3rd position, close, 2, 3, 1, again, now regular 2, 1, 2, and then low 3, and then regular 3, half step up. Okay, got it? It's all written there, just review that and then rewind if you can. Okay, measure 18, back to beginning theme. Fade. Low 2. And then shift to here. Crescendo. I see sometimes violinists and cellists take a tubo here. So to crescendo and into the, we're still in 3rd now, don't go anywhere. So 2, 1, 2, E2, E1, A2, and then A4, A3, and then D4. Still in 3rd, don't go anywhere. 2, 1, 1. Yeah, don't lift it, just kind of shift over, and then 2, 3, 1. Then 3 with the vibrato. Fade. Back to 1st position, low 2. Yeah, we're gonna shift up to 3rd position here. Retardando, stay here. 2, 3, 1. And if you want, you're gonna use a 4, which is comfortable, or if you don't have the best of the 4th finger vibrato like mine, I'm just gonna stretch out for the 3. Okay, so that's how you play it. The Swan, very beautiful. Yeah. Uh, Again, make sure that you're not losing speed of the bow, and you're phrasing very nicely by fading at the end and decrescendo and crescendo, all that. And don't just stay in the first position. First position is boring. To me, the third position really should be your home. All right, so let's buy a second home. You have the first position as your home. Let's buy a second home, the third position. All right, I hope you guys like that. If you did, please like and subscribe. And until next time,